My name is Hilary, and today we are going to present you about problem-based assignment, which is about topic 5, disaster prevention and recovery. So this is the group members of our group, and this is the question of PBA. We are asking to write a report of proposal of the best rate configuration. So this is the introduction of our PBA. This problem-based assignment studies about Innovatech solutions. Sandra Berhard, which actually recently experienced a severe server failure that led to system downtime and significant data loss due to data storage in hard disk drive issue. So this exposed the company have a weak security system and also fragile disaster recovery strategy. So in this report, we are going to write a proposal to choose the best rate configurations, suggest the best rate configurations, and also recommend the most suitable setup to enhance data protection, system reliability, and overall performance. So this can help to protect the Innovatech's critical data assets. So this is the solution proposal for Innovatech. After evaluating the company's operational environment, data sensitivity, and business continuity requirements, the best solution that we suggest is using RAID 10 configuration. It is because it is the most effective configuration since it combines the advantage of data mirroring and data striping, providing high performance and also strong data redundancy. In RAID 10, it requires a minimum of 4 hard drives, which is divide them into blocks and also have 2 or more mirror pairs. So each pair will act as a backup for the other, ensuring as long as their one drive in the pair is functional, the data still can be retrieved easily and directly. But making it ideal for organizations that handle critical business data and require uninterrupted access because it can access easily the data then directly. They won't be fail at the same time. Next is the justification for RAID 10, why we choose RAID 10. Here is the 5 justification, which is data redundancy and protection, performance and efficiency, fault tolerance and recovery, reliability and scalability, and also alignment with business goals. So for the first one, data redundancy and protection, is because since it's mirroring, right? So every data is stored on 2 drives simultaneously. So even though one hardware failure, the mirror drive can immediately takes over and preventing from data loss. They can recover data and performance efficiency is this enhances the performance efficiency is because it have a higher speed, allowing the simultaneous access to multiple disks, handling the large volume of business transaction and for fast data retrieval and fault tolerance and also recovery because they are kept in different mirror pairs, so they can withstand any fault tolerance. And also, it's quick and straightforward since data can be recovered directly from the mirror pair without like complex parity calculations. Data can be easily restored. And for reliability and scalability, the configuration has offer a stable foundation because adding mirror pairs that can help give data redundancy and stable the performance of the company. And it aligns with business goals such as data security, reliability, performance, and also disaster recovery. Like what I explained just now, and disaster recovery, they can directly recover from the disaster quickly and convenient because data can be retrieved easily from the mirror pair. Thus, RAID 10 is the most suitable choice for Innovatech solutions. Next, for cost analysis. So in cost analysis, we are asked to analyze 3 types of expenses, which is the initial implementation cost, estimation ongoing operational costs, and also long-term operational expenses, which is on 3-year projection. So for the first one, initial implementation cost, which is the one-time cost that for the first setup of the RAID 10. we have four items here, which is hard drive, RAID controller, installation and configuration, and also backup integration. For hard drive, we need to uh, set up for the hard disk drive for RAID 10. Then and hardware RAID card. Also for installation and configuration, you also need tension set up BIOS configuration and all, and backup integration is external NAS or cloud backup system. So total of the estimated cost, the one-time cost to total initial implementation is 5,400. And for the next part, estimation on ongoing operational costs, we have system maintenance, power consumption, drive replacement, monitoring software here. So for the annual cost for each part, total up is 1,900, which this is the each year the annual cost that we need to pay for each year to manage our rate system, rate configuration is 1,900. So if we calculate for one long-term operational expenses, here we use 3-year projection as example. For the category is maintenance and monitoring and also hardware replacement. This is the most important, both important things that we must think about in this rate configuration. For year one, you expect the total annual operational cost each year is 1,900. In year one, we have new hardware, so we don't need to do for the replacement. But in second year, we need to replace hardware each year. So the hardware replacement price is 600. So total up maintenance and monitoring and also hardware replacement cost, the total estimated 3-year cost is actually 7,500. So in conclusion, the initial implementation for RAID 10 is 5,400. Then for the annual operational cost is 1,900. And for estimation of the long-term operational expenses for a 3-year period, total is actually 7,500. Although like the initial implementation of RAID, the first time cost, the one-time cost is more expensive, is higher than other rate levels. But if you think it for the long term, it's actually benefits from the better than the other rate level because it reduce downtime and have lower recovery costs. So it is very cost effective and sustainable solution for a continuous business operation, making the system more reliability and safer.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Joy. I will explain about implementation plan, how to set up the RAID 10. First is preparation. We can check if the server needs to support RAID 10 or buy an identical drive and backup data. This process can be ensure the system is ready and avoid drive mismatch problem and protect existing data before change are made. For the second is configuration, which is use RAID controller to set up RAID 10. Also, we can pair the drive into a mirror set and straight. Then this process can be arranged to give both safety, mirroring, and speed stripping, and creating a balanced RAID 10 system. For the system iteration, once configured already, we can install or move operating system onto RAID array with format and partition point and set RAID as a boot device. Boot device RAID array can be become the main storage to deliver faster performance and fault tolerance while keeping the data organized. For the monitoring, while turn on the alerts form, we can use the monitoring software and schedule the integrity checks. System can be watched closely with alerts and check to catch the problem early and keep the data safety. For the maintenance, keep spare drive. If the drive fails, we can replace the drive failed quickly. And firmware and software can be updated after we replace the failed drive. quickly. And the update can be keep the system stable, secure, and running smoothly over time. Last is a disaster recovery, which can connect the rig setup with backup plan while test the recovery regularly to keep logs. Backup and recovery can be tested and so the data can be restored quickly if video failures or disaster occur. If the video failure occur is happening, it will become zero. Last is for the producer. After a thorough evaluation of innovative solutions, operational environment, and data management, the proposed implementation of Red 10 stands out as the most reliable and efficient solution to enhance data protection and system resilience. By combining data mirroring and stripping, Red 10 can ensure the high performance, fault tolerance, and quick recovery in the event of hardware failure. The cost analysis can be confirmed that while the initial setup cost of 5,400 is a one-time investment, and the annual operational cost of 1,900 is affordable and sustainable for long-term use. The structured implementation plan further guarantees smooth deployment, continuous monitoring, and stable maintenance. Overall, a brief report, Britain can be aligned perfectly with innovative solutions, rules for data security, reliability, and business continuity to provide strong foundations for uninterrupted operation and future growth. These are our reference for this report. Thanks for watching and hearing. That's all from us. Thank you.